Good morning everyone. In science subject 7th standard chapter 7, I have discussed about the adaptation, climates, weather, climate and adaptation and different points. Today we will discuss about the migration. Before this lecture, I have discussed about the polar regions, polar bears. Today we will go and discuss about the migration. What is the migration? So, first of all, you should know what is a migration. The process in which birds or other any animals move from one place to another in one season and again returns in different origin season, different season is called migration. What is a migration? Migration is the process of moving from one place to another place. Any birds or animals in different season and again returns to different season is known as the migration. These are called migration. Migration of birds is a adaptation to escape the harsh and cold condition of their normal habitat in winter so as to survive. These are called migration. So what is a migration? Migration is the process of moving from one place to another place of animals or birds and again return to different season is called migration. For migration, different animals adaptation the different season for survive their life. So about the migration, the birds which migrate from very cold region to warmer regions in winter and go back after the winter is over are called migratory birds. Those birds which migrate from one place to another place in very cold region to another region and again come back in the same region in different season is called migratory birds. These are known as the migratory birds. So there are many examples, many types of birds come in India in different season. Then again they will fly to the different season. For example, Siberian crane. What? Who's Siberian crane? Siberian crane. Siberian crane is a type of birds who migrate in Siberia region, which is very cold place. When winter sets in Siberia and it gets extremely cold, the Siberian crane flies thousands of kilometers and comes to warmer place in India such as Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana, some wetland of northeast. These places, there are many places Siberian crane come and after change the different season they will fly. So the Siberian cranes stay in the warmer place in India. Means in that place when very cold region, then Siberian crane come in India as the warmer place. These Siberian cranes fly back to Siberia when the winter ends. After ends the winter, Siberian cranes fly back into Siberia. So, thus the adaptation of migration in Siberian crane is to escape the extremely cold winter conditions in Siberia and survive by moving to warmer regions. These are the adaptation of Siberian crane. So, what is the reason? How is the Siberian crane or migration of the birds from one place to another place? So some migratory birds travel as much as 50,000 kilometers to escape the extremely cold climates conditions at home to reach warmer place where there is plenty of food. Means Siberian cranes and many birds cover a distance more than 15,000 kilometers for survive their life. Escape to the cold region. So, an important question arises in your mind. How do migratory birds travel to same place year after year? This is the very important question. Can be arises in your mind. What? How do migratory birds can travel to the same place year and year? So, an exact answer to this question is still not available. You will not find the exact answer of this question, but I will discuss here I will keep trying to find this answer. Some of the probable reasons for how the migratory birds travel to same place year after year is: first, it seems that the migratory birds have a built-in sense of direction which tells them in the direction to fly to reach the same place. First reason, some migratory birds having the sense of direction, built in the sense of direction. Second, some migratory birds probably use landmarks to guide them to reach the same place. Most of the birds probably build landmarks for moving to one place to another place. Next, many migratory birds may be guided by the position of the sun during the day and the position of the stars at night to reach the same place. It is the mark of the moving from one place to another place. So these are the common reasons of the migratory birds. After this, not only birds, it is not only the birds which migrates, but also mammals.